Once again, we're going to go flying and do a long range flight and see where we can end up. We're out in the woods, and ideally, if all goes well, we're going to see this. We're going to fly up the Church Mountain, which is 6,315 feet at the very top, 2.6 miles away. Fly along the ridge, fly to here, and fly back, and hopefully land in this little quarry area. This is a quarry. It's we're going to be flying with the 6,000 milliamp pack today, right? Got lots of battery, but we're takeoff spot is about 1,300 feet altitude above sea level. So it means we got a net of around 5,000 feet to go up. I have no idea how this is going to fly. Well, we'll figure it out. We got everything ready. Let's go flying.
All right.
Seems like we're forgetting something, but
well, we've been through the checklist.
air mode 2100, 40 miles an hour.
I got 37 now.
I guess we should just go flying. All right. Watch my speed.
Speed is 46.
Amp draw lower left is 28, 29.
Right. 30. 30. You're right on 29 and 30.
Good, yeah. F4, 1 watt, we got, okay. Beautiful video, I got. 44 miles an hour.
Yep.
How far out are we? 4,000 feet?
4,000 feet out. 45.
Still climbing.
Still climbing.
We're at 700 milliamps.
Yep.
We're out a mile, about 5,000.
5,211.
I'm not going to go any faster.
1 mile right there. Altitude 1770.
800 amps. Let's watch those 800 amps. Let's watch that. That's our...
I'm watching the 800 amps and I'm watching the draw.
Let's see. I put my head a little better there. I lost my signal for a second there.
I did too. It came back. I'm getting a breakup now.
So am I.
It's going out. I can't find it.
I'm headed straight toward that ravine.
Now I'm aiming right for that ravine. I got a really weak signal, but
Maybe we're just not used to this weak signal land, you know?
boy, it is weak.
I got 3,000 feet up, 1.6 miles out. Got my finger on the GPS.
I just lost my signal.
So did I.
And I'm pointed right at it.
I hit GPS rescue.
There it's back.
I'm gonna take it off rescue and fly it this way. Turn my altitude, my angle. See that?
Mm-hmm.
Now I got a picture now.
I got a picture.
But I changed the perspective. Maybe we got a antenna pointing thing, you know?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, because it...
See it?
I saw it flicker.
It comes and goes, you know?
Mm-hmm.
Maybe we'll just...
We're 2.4 miles out now.
Watch our amps, 1,500.
1580, 1600 right there, Mark.
Going to the right, I lose my signal.
Yeah, me too.
I'm over the ridge. See that?
Mm-hmm.
I'm staying away from the crappy signal area.
Got a good signal there. Boy, that's clear.
Me too. Dealing with the altitude to see how.
Coming up on...
Telemetry lost. Telemetry recovered.
1900.
Yep, 1900.
A lot of power to get up here.
Well, the draw right now is only 20, 25.
Telemetry lost. Telemetry recovered.
Boy, it's fussy. I'm out. There, now I'm back. I just have to get it pointed high enough.
Telemetry lost.
Wow.
Wow is right.
We're way below the amp usage.
Yeah, and we're almost 2.5 miles out, 2.47. That's a nice shot. There's a ridge going right down.
Telemetry recovered.
2.5 miles out.
I'm just flying so we can see. Watch our amps, 23.
23. And I just let let's see. What is that? Let's see.
Telemetry lost. Telemetry recovered.
$2,400.
Yeah.
Maybe they'll just-
Telemetry lost. Telemetry recovered. $55 miles an hour? Slow it down, buddy.
Yep, Ross. 26.
I'm going to.
2,700 milliamps.
Okay.
17.2 volts.
28 miles an hour.
$2,800 amps.
God, 52 miles an hour. No way, Jose.
Telemetry lost. Telemetry recovered.
I'm ignoring you, girl.
3,000 milliamps coming up on it in just a few minutes.
Okay, thank you.
Telemetry lost. Telemetry recovered.
3,000 there.
You seen a picture?
Telemetry lost.
It's dropping out and
Telemetry
coming back.
recovered.
I have to keep watching it.
Okay, we're going to start heading back down the ridge to the
31
flight plan.
Okay, 31 milliamps there. 3,100.
Okay.
Altitude 5,000. And just dropped back 49.
Trying to slow it down. See any crashed cars up here anywhere? I'm losing my signal now.
Yeah, I tilted it up a little bit and got mine back.
Okay.
3348, 3350 milliamps.
Okay. Yeah, the head's fussy. Should we start heading home?
Yep.
Which way is home? We don't want to get too low, lose our line of sight.
No.
Telemetry lost. Telemetry recovered.
What's the distance? What's our speed?
3,500 milliamps, 3,600 milliamps.
We're doing 60 miles an hour.
Yeah.
I gotta follow the arrow.
Telemetry lost. Telemetry recovered.
Where the fuck are we?
I'm trying to see in
I think our GPS is off, but
You're only a mile, you're coming back. I don't know exactly where
there's
you're
the river, there's the road.
There's the U shape right there in the lower right. I just lost it. I've lost my signal.
I put GPS rescue on.
Now I'm back. 4,155 milliamps.
I think we're too low. I can't see shit.
Now I've got it back. Our altitude is climbing.
Are we too
We're
low?
44, 460, 44.
Looking for our landing site. Are we over us?
Gosh, I can't tell. It keeps dropping in and out.
I hit GPS rescue again.
I haven't got a signal.
Fuck. I see a picture. So it's gonna come in high.
Okay.
I've got to get a picture.
I haven't got a picture yet. Wait a minute.
I barely see a picture. Oh, it's behind me. I see it this way.
You got it?
I got a signal this way. We're at 4,600 feet. 4,650. Maybe it's straight fucking up. I got a great picture now. Whoop, coming and going. I think.
I got a picture now. 4,700 milliamps. Just clicked on it.
Am I looking at our oval here?
Yeah, you are.
Is that our oval?
That's our oval.
That's our oval.
Yep.
That's us. We were like. I hear it.
Mm-hmm. I haven't got a vision on it. Oh.
You got a
I got
visual?
now.
Don't make sure I don't hit any trees.
Yeah, you're in front of them now. You're coming down. You're good. You're
Okay.
right over it there.
Okay, I'm over safe land.
Yep, there you go. You're over safe land. I got a visual on you. You're coming down right in the parking lot there. Don't come any further forward. Right there. Just set her down. Easy. I got you. Set her. Whoa, you're down on the road. I got you.
Jim, we did it.
You did it.
Oh my gosh.
That was a good flight.
I'm sweating. Oh, it was a good flight until we lost sight of it coming back and got too high and got disoriented and then didn't have omni antennas on and we went that way and I think we went past us. We were over here somewhere. We're gonna have to definitely look at the GoPro video later.
See those two rocks over there?
Yeah, I see it.
It's on the road right there.
Oh man, that was our first really long range flight, man. Oh.
It just kept dropping out and coming back.
Max altitude, 5,175 feet above us. Huh. We ended up with just under 4,900 amps used. That's 5,000 out of 6. That's a good safety margin. You know, we needed that amps to find where the heck home was, didn't we?
Yeah.
Because we were like, GPS rescue was flying it,
That way.
but it wasn't coming down very slow. It was.
No, and not only that, but I couldn't grab the signal until we got way back, until it came way back in. It was...